In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report Airbnb room rental income in TurboTax. We'll start by getting organized. Before you open TurboTax, gather your Airbnb earnings documents, including any Form 1099 you received and your host payout summary. It also helps to have records of what you spent to run the rental, like maintenance, cleaning, and utilities. Having these ready up front makes the process smoother and helps you capture every allowable deduction. Now, open TurboTax and head to the income section. You'll report your Airbnb earnings there, and the key decision is whether they belong on Schedule E or Schedule C. If your setup is a straightforward room rental without hotel-like services, think basic lodging with minimal interaction, TurboTax will guide you to report it as rental income on Schedule E. If you provide substantial services to guests, such as regular cleaning during the stay, breakfast, or concierge-style help that goes beyond what's typical for a rental, that's generally treated as a business and belongs on Schedule C. TurboTax will ask clear questions to help you choose the correct path. When you enter your income, match the totals shown on your Form 1099 and your Airbnb transaction reports. If the numbers differ due to timing or adjustments, use the detailed payout history to reconcile them. Enter the amount in the corresponding TurboTax section based on your schedule choice so that your income flows to the right place on your return. Next, enter your allowable deductions. For many hosts, common expenses include maintenance, cleaning, and utilities. If you rent out part of your home, only the rental portion is deductible, so be ready to allocate a reasonable share of those costs to the space and the time it was rented. Keep your receipts and notes on how you calculated the portion. TurboTax will prompt you for these details in the expenses area for your rental or business, depending on your earlier selection. Before you wrap up, review your entries for accuracy. Make sure the schedule selection matches how you operate the rental. Verify that the income matches your documents, and confirm that your deductions are entered in the right categories. Good record keeping and consistent allocations help avoid delays and make future filings much easier. If you need more guidance, visit turbotax.intuit.com, where you'll find tools and articles that walk through these topics in greater depth. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to report your Airbnb room rental income in TurboTax with confidence.